right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their high-powered LED flashlight. So this is the front of the box, nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. The side, break the darkness, the little company logo there. This side has the same, and then the back, a few specs. 12 LED bulbs, while built-in 6600 milliamp hour battery, 1500 lumens, 4.5 hour charging time, and the color temperature is 7000 to 8000 K. So let's open this on up. What do we get? Oh, it seems like it's a nice box. It slides out. Yeah. All right. It slides out of this one. There we go. So a little user's guide on top with some information. Got a nice little carrying case, feels like it's velour. And then, wow, that's it for the box. This is the high-powered flashlight. So USB-C to charge it. It doesn't come with a USB-C cable. That's a little surprising. Correction. In the bottom of this is actually a USB-C charging cable. Nice. And a little lanyard for the flashlight. Very nice. So we'll have to take this out back and actually try it out at nighttime and show you what this flashlight looks like. All right, so we're gonna hit our little power button here on the front. You can kind of see the brightness of this. Very nice, very bright light. Let me go to widescreen. So yeah, you can see there, we got our fire pit nicely lit up. Buddy's over here looking at something, he's frozen. But a very nice, very bright light that this actually puts off. So 2 thumbs up to the design. Love the fact that it's completely rechargeable and truly a great, super bright LED light. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.